In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a booking calendar into your Wix website using the Wix editor. This feature is especially useful for businesses that depend on appointments or scheduling, such as salons, consulting services, or even for personal life coaches who want to seamlessly manage bookings through their websites. So let's dive right in. First, begin by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the Wix editor where your site is hosted. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a toolbar running vertically. We're going to start by locating and clicking on the option labeled Add Elements. This is essentially your toolbox of design components that you can use to customize and enhance your site. With the Elements panel open, your next step is to find and click on Bookings. This option allows you to add various booking components so you can present your services effectively on your website. When you click on Bookings, you'll notice a list of options appear. Now, you're going to select Calendar from this list. The calendar is what will allow your visitors to view available slots and book directly from your website, an essential tool for managing appointments and streamlining your interactions with clients. Once you've selected the calendar, click and hold it and then drag it into your design area. This will place the calendar box wherever you want it on the page. You can always adjust its size and placement later to ensure it fits perfectly with your website's layout. The next step is to customize your calendar settings to fit your specific needs. For this, locate the Settings button.
Clicking on it opens a variety of options and customizations you can apply to your calendar, such as color themes, font styles, and more. After tweaking the general settings to your liking, navigate to the Services section. In this area, you're going to choose which services you'll offer bookings for. Your Wix setup may include multiple services, especially if your business or personal brand offers a variety of options to clients. You'll have to select the service that you would like the
Calendar component to be linked to. To do this effectively, simply check the box next to the service where you want the calendar to be functional. This ensures that the right service is associated with your calendar bookings, helping to avoid mix-ups and confusion for your clients when they're making appointments. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully integrated a booking calendar onto your Wix website. This powerful tool will enhance your site's functionality, providing an effortless experience for both you and your clients when setting appointments. Be sure to preview your changes and test out the booking process to ensure everything runs smoothly before finalizing your updates. Happy scheduling!